Hello, and welcome to this video demonstrating how to get started using the Visual Financial Transactions Analysis extension for the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Before use, you must configure the extension by completing Assisted Setup Wizard. First step, select a financial statement view type. Second step, all accounts must have completed category and subcategory fields for correct visualization. If it is not, the wizard shows the number of accounts with blank fields. On the Accounts List page, you can drill down to the account card and fill it in. It is important to select categories and subcategories according to the structure of financial statements. Third step, build account correspondence. Select Rebuild All GL Entries and click the Build button. First time running can be a very lengthy process. After the wizard is completed, the Visual Financial Transactions Analysis extension is ready. Thanks for watching.